I'm Bob Redman, and Dr. Greene has replaced both of my hips. In fact, he's done both my wife's knees and both my hips, so we have a lot of experience with Dr. Greene. He's just a fun guy. He's upbeat. I understand he's a pretty good golfer, too.
Coach Redman came to me and he was really having a difficult time getting around. He couldn't walk anymore, he couldn't exercise, he had kind of gained a little bit of weight that he didn't want. And so we took an x-ray and his hip was just completely bone on bone.
Right after surgery, I mean, they get you up, get you going, get you moving, and like in a couple of days, I was almost back to normal.
He's back to fishing with his grandkids, he's back to exercising, he's lost a ton of weight. He really looks like a new man compared to when I first saw him come into the office.
I'm an outdoor guy, I like to hunt and fish and do a lot of stuff, and involved in football and so forth, so my quality of life has improved drastically as opposed to where I was.